Hello everyone. Today we'll start our exercise 19.2. So before that, we'll be learning about how to find the area of a quadrilateral. Okay, so we have seen before how is a quadrilateral. Let me show you one quadrilateral here. This is a kind of actually quadrilateral, or you can just draw here any type of quadrilateral. Fine. So if I draw here one diagonal, what happened? Let me join with the red color. We have seen here two triangles now. Okay, so if I know how to find the area of the triangles, then definitely I can find the area of the quadrilateral. So before coming to this, let us just see how to find the area of a triangle. Okay, let me tell you again, why do we need to know that how to find the area of the triangle? Because once I drew this one diagonal here, what happened? I have seen here two triangles, one triangle and another triangle. If you know how to find the area of a triangle, then definitely we can find the area of this triangle and this triangle, so that when we add the areas of these two triangles, we'll be getting the area of the whole quadrilateral. So now let's see. Here we have a triangle and I'll give the name as A, B, C. Okay, so what happened here now? From any vertex, let me say from vertex A, let me draw a perpendicular. I have drawn now, and this is right angle, and let me say this is D. Here what happened? AD is standing on BC at the vertical position, that means at right angle. So this angle is 90 degree, that means AD is perpendicular to DC. So in other words, we can say like this: AD is perpendicular to BC. So what happened now? This BC becomes the base. BC is what? Base. And what about AD? AD is what we call height. When base is BC, its corresponding height is AD. So how are we going to find the area? Area of triangle is actually given by half into base into height. So you should remember this formula: area of triangle equal to half into base into height. Now let us see how to find the area of a quadrilateral. We are going to construct the formula. First, let me draw a quadrilateral. Okay, yeah, we have a quadrilateral now. Let me say this is A, this is B, and this is C, and this is D. Now let me draw only one diagonal. Let me join this BD, then it becomes what? Diagonal. BD is the diagonal. So from A, what happened on this BD? From A on this BD, we need to draw a perpendicular like this. It should be how much? 90 degree. And let me say this point is D. This is what? D. Similarly, even from C on this BD, let me draw a perpendicular. Let me take different color. From C on this BD, let me draw a perpendicular. And it becomes 90 degree. And what happened here? This point is what? Let me say E. Okay, so what happened here? First, let us find the area of triangle ABD. I'll write here area of triangle ABD. Area of triangle ABD. Sorry, I want to give here, as I have given here D already, I'm not supposed to give here D again. So let me say this is F. Okay, so area of triangle ABD is given by, we know that half into base into height. So 1/2 into, what is the base? BD. What is the height? AF. Next, let me find the area of triangle BCD. Area of triangle BCD. For this, what happened? We need to write half into, the base is BD and the height is CE. So therefore, what happened? Area of quadrilateral ABCD A, B, C, D equal to what? Area of triangle A, B, D plus area of triangle B, C, D. Okay, we'll see now. Equal to what happened? Area of ABD means half into BD into AF plus. What about area of triangle BCD? That is 1 by 2 into BD into CE. So let's take common. We have seen here 1 by 2 common. So we'll take 1 by 2 common now. 1 by 2. Next again BD, BD. Even BD also we can take common. So let's take now. Sorry, it's 1 by 2 only here. Okay, and then into BD. And what is the remaining? Remaining is AF and CE. So let me write here AF plus CE. So don't forget, area of the quadrilateral is given by, let me write here, thus area of quadrilateral is given by 1 by 2 into length of one diagonal. Don't forget, length of one diagonal into, we have to write sum of the, let me drag the screen, sum of the length of the perpendiculars drawn from the remaining two vertices on this diagonal, on its diagonal. Here don't confuse, I'm writing here remaining two vertices. Remaining two vertices means, let's see here what happened. What I'm doing is I got the diagonal BD by joining the vertex B and D. So the remaining means vertex A and vertex C. From the vertex A, I have drawn a perpendicular. From the vertex C, I have drawn another perpendicular. That is what we call perpendiculars drawn from the remaining vertices on its diagonal. So remember this formula. The formula is nothing but half into length of one diagonal into sum of the length of the perpendiculars drawn from the remaining two vertices on its diagonal. Okay, after this we'll move to the exercise. Now let's get started. 19.2, we have question number 1. Find the area of a quadrilateral in which length of the diagonal is 12 cm and the perpendiculars drawn on it from opposite vertices are 2 cm and 12 cm respectively. First, let me draw a quadrilateral. Okay, and here let's say this is one diagonal, and we'll draw the perpendicular like this, and again from here we'll draw the perpendicular. Let me give the name of the quadrilateral as A, B, C, D. Okay, and the perpendicular drawn from A on the diagonal BD, let me say A, I'll give here E, and the other perpendicular, that is, let me give as CF. Here what happened? Let me repeat, ABCD is a quadrilateral, and here we have drawn just one diagonal. What is the diagonal? Diagonal BD, and the perpendiculars drawn on it from the opposite vertices are 2 cm and 12 cm. Here AE and the other one is CF. These are the two perpendiculars drawn from the opposite vertices A and C on the diagonal BD. Say the space is not there much. This is actually taken to be 2 cm, and this is what, 12 cm, and here the length of the diagonal is 12. So this BD is how much again? This is what? 12 centimeter. So let's start a solution. First, let me write, let A, B, C, D be the quadrilateral. Be the quadrilateral. Okay, here what happened? Diagonal BD. Let me write here, diagonal BD is how much? This is 12 centimeter. And what is the next? The perpendiculars AE and CF, actually they are how much? 2 centimeter and 12 centimeter. So let me just write here, AE perpendicular to BD and CF perpendicular to BD. I'm just writing this so that you can understand better. And again, what happened? The length of AE is 2 centimeter. And again here what? AE is what? 2 centimeter. And what is the next? CF. CF is what? This is 12 centimeter. Now let's start the solution. Therefore, area of quadrilateral, what is that? A, B, C, D equal to what? 1 by 2 into, what is the length of the diagonal here? That is actually 12, but the diagonal is BD. So BD into sum of the perpendiculars. So what are the perpendiculars? AE and CF. AE plus CF. Now let's put the value equal to 1 by 2 into, what is BD? BD is 12. What is AE? It's 2. What about CF? Again 12. Now we'll cancel here. 2 1 is 2, 2 6, 12. So now we have 6 into 2 plus 12, it's 14. So 14 into 6, 6 4, 24, 2, 6 1 is 6, 8, and this is centimeter square. So let's write here, therefore the area of the quadrilateral is 84 centimeter square. We have question number 2. Area of a quadrilateral is 81 centimeter square. We have a quadrilateral, and for this quadrilateral the area is 81 centimeter square. The length of the perpendiculars drawn on its diagonal from the opposite vertices are 3 and 6 centimeter. Now find the length of its diagonal. Okay, so I'll just draw a diagram now. There is a quadrilateral like this, and this is a diagonal. Fine. The area is how much? 81 centimeter square. Here it should be 90 degree, and again here should be 90 degree. There actually one is 3 centimeter, and other is how much? 6 centimeter. And we have to find the diagonal of this, length of the diagonal. We have to find it now. Now let me give the name of the quadrilateral, A, B, C, D. Okay, and these perpendiculars I'll give here A, E, and here C, F. So I'll write solution here. Let A, B, C, D be the quadrilateral. Okay, with diagonal what? BD. We don't know the length of the BD, that is what we are going to find. And here what happened? AE perpendicular to BD, and CF again perpendicular to BD. And what happened? The question gives you that the length of the perpendiculars are 3 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So let me say here, AE is how much? 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. And what about CF? This is 6 centimeter. Area of the quadrilateral is how much? Given by the question is 81 centimeter square. Now we'll apply the formula here. Implies 1 by 2. What is diagonal? Diagonal is BD. Sum of the perpendiculars drawn from the opposite vertices A and C on the diagonal BD. They are actually AE and other is CF. We have 81. You can just remove this centimeter square. Implies 1 by 2 into, we don't know BD, into, what about AE? This is 3 plus, what about CF? 6. Then here 81. And then we'll find like this, 1 by 2 into BD into 9. Then we have here 81. So in the next step, what we can write? We can write here BD equal to what? 81. 2 will go to the numerator and 9 will come down to the denominator. So let's cancel now. 9 1 is 9, 9 9, 81. So in the next step, what we're going to write? Implies BD equal to what? 9 into 2, this is 18 centimeter. Okay, so let's give the conclusion. Therefore, the length of the diagonal is how much? Is 18 centimeter.